Lazy RV Cooking goes to Wonderland Restaurant on Harmony of the Seas. Here we have the Smoking Rings cocktail. This is comprised of bourbon and it does actually smoke. They put smoke in it so that when you take the napkin off, the smoke will rise. So it was a fun cocktail. It was definitely a one time thing. We found that it was a little too smoky for our taste. So watch as we reveal the smoke from the smoke ring cocktail. It was essentially very smoky. This is a one-time cocktail that we enjoyed, but wasn't necessarily our favorite. This is the Cheshire Cosmo. Um, it was delicious. The cotton candy made it very whimsical. Here we go down to the main dining room part, and it's called Down the Rabbit Hole. And you get to paint your menu. So you have the magic water and you spread it all over the menu so that you can reveal what you might be having for dinner. Now, at Wonderland, they let you choose your entree, and they are very cognizant of dietary needs and what your taste preferences are. They asked if we liked spicy food, if we liked seafood, which, of course, if you've been watching our channel, you know we all like um, spicy food and seafood. So you get to pick your entree, but they surprise you with the appetizers. And this was really fun because of all these different elements. The menu was fun to paint. It did take a little while, to take a little effort, but there we go. There is the finished menu. So there you can see the different elements.
Hi. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. So bird's nest. Bird's nest coming from element of the fire. We serve it with Wonderland half-boiled egg, apple wood smoke inside. Egg white inside we have egg yolk, Japanese mayo, blue cheese powder. On top we serve it with our crispy tempura and spicy chili sauce for you. So in this plate, everything is possible. The bird's nest made from tatafar rice noodle pasta. You can enjoy as well. But don't eat my plate. The plate is so hard. Okay? Manhattan Papa shrimp. Manhattan very crazy. That's why he just fishing the shrimp from outside. If we don't wrap it, they're gonna jump in on his face. So on the bottom, we serve it with scotch bomb, mayonnaise, and spicy chili sauce for you. Liquid lobster, we serve it with meat lobster meat, together with caviar on top. The sauce made from liquid lobster biscuit, brandy, and cream. So take the spoon, one shot, enjoy.
Excellent. Thank you.
Please enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bon appetit. Aside from the service of Lala, I'm here for you.
Thank
Let me
you.
know anything else that I can do. Okay?
Excellent.
Thank you.
Aside from her service, you just tell me what you want, what you really want. And
I'll
get
tell you what I want, what I really,
what
really
you
want.
really want. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Element of the sun, we have the caprese salad. Caprese salad, we serve it with our mozzarella cheese on the bottom. Sweet and sour marmalade, olive powder, basil puree, cherry tomato in both sides. So in the middle one, that's a real tomato. The chef chopped the tomato, they squeeze out the clear water. They put sea salt, garlic, sugar, they put Bloody Mary mix. That's why the tomato is so red for you. In the middle one, we have some Kalamata olive and a regular olive puree. You can mix the salad or you can separate eating one by one. Please enjoy.
Thank you.
All right.
Our crispy crab cod. So we serve it with Alaska king crab. That's why you are in the ice. On the bottom we have a little bit of wasabi. In the middle is king crab meat. On top we serve it with nori and avocado. Outside the cone made from the hunchon cone. So please don't eat like ice cream. Start from bottom to the top.
Nice.
Under the element of a bar, we have tequila shot. I mean that is tomato water. So the chef squeeze out the clear water. They put the red bell pepper for you. So everybody, let's shot it. Shot it. Yeah. There we go.
Shots. Here, record here. tomato water. Tastes just like tomatoes, like a tomato soup. Like a little belt. It's real good.
Good boy.
No, it's not ice cream. There's the wasabi. Crab. It's really good.
Before main course, yeah? So, under the element of the ice, we have the citrus tuna. Citrus tuna, we serve it with citrus lime, but only lime skin left. The lime meat going to the lemon lime sherbet on top, together with caviar. Inside, we have spicy tuna tart mixed with kimchi, Japanese mayo, lime juice. Outside, we have Parmesan cheese cracker. So after you take the sherbet, you can put the tuna tart on top of the cracker.
Nice.
Enjoy.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Yay. Okay. All right. Parmesan cracker. Lime. Okay, here's the tuna tartare. That's really good.
Beef shortbread. You see the chef put it in the upside down plate. No? Pork belly, we serve it with apple puree in the circle, chicharra, crispy pork skin. On top of the pork, we serve it with apple chips.
Nice.
Beef shortbread, but look like chocolate brownie. Dessert already coming. We serve it with our vanilla ice cream, chocolate ice cream, cherry tomato, red and yellow relish, apple puree. So the chef takes 5.5 hours to make it perfect tender crust. Now I'm gonna bring the sauce. Ready?
Absolutely. We're ready.
Sleep together. So in front of you we have two drinks. The first one we call the word. We serve it with 90% dark chocolate, raspberry, crispy rice cereal. So you have a great time here. I'm gonna break it. You ready?
All right, destroy it. Good job.
Here we go. So the chocolate melted by hot caramel sauce. Inside we have chocolate mousse cake mixed with peanut butter, caramel ice cream. Super Mario. We call magic mushroom garden. We serve it with pistachio crumble on the bottom. Spicy mushroom pavlova. The big mushroom made from strawberry, peach mix. White Marie on top. White chocolate melted on the bottom. We serve it with mango sherbet on the side. And welcome to Hawaii. Aloha. You can eat the flour. You put the flour on the please.
And this is our last course. This is dessert. It was delicious. I highly recommend the chocolate melting globe. Here's the lobster bisque, or the liquid lobster. This is my dish. This is the pork dish. It was delicious. This is the ceviche with shrimp. And this is our little shrimp bite. And this is Mark and what he does when he plays with cotton candy and the edible flour. And thank you for watching Lazy RV Cooking.
So like and subscribe for more content on Lazy RV Cooking.